हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड पेंशनर्स। तो दोस्तों आपका स्वागत है यहाँ पे बैंक स्ट्रीम की एक नई अपडेट के साथ। तो यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है। सो यहाँ पे मुझे आई हैव बीन रिसीविंग सो मैनी मैसेजेस फ्रॉम ऑल द ग्रुप्स एंड फ्रेंड सर्कल। काफ़ी मैसेजेस मुझे रिसीव हुए हैं। सो फाइनली हमें भी एक मैसेज यहाँ पे रिसीव हुआ है रिगार्डिंग द 28th एंड 29th, जो अभी आपको पता है फोर्थ ट्राइनल जो कॉन्फ्रेंस है AIB बाकी वो चल रही है दोस्तों बेंगलुरु में। तो उसी के रिगार्डिंग सो मैनी मैसेजेस वी आर गेटिंग दैट सर व्हाट इज़ द एग्जैक्ट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सिनेरियो। तो उस सिनेरियो के रिगार्डिंग ही मैंने यहाँ पे कोशिश करी है आपको एक पोस्ट थोड़ी सी शेयर कर दें। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं दिस मैसेज बीइंग सर्कुलेटेड बाय मिस्टर अशोक कुमार, जो कि नगर प्रेसिडेंट है AICB RO के एंड GSCB RO दिल्ली के। तो उनकी तरफ से जो मैसेज सर्कुलेट हुआ है तो उसी की हम थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे अपडेट आपको दे रहे हैं। तो दिस इज़ अ लेटेस्ट पिक फ्रॉम दी ये कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है। तो आप देख सकते हैं गैदरिंग कितनी ज़्यादा है। और ये उनका जो पैम्पलेट है ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन फोर्थ ट्राइनल 28th एंड 29th 2022। तो ये उसके उसमें से थोड़ी सी ग्लिम्स की मैंने फ़ोटोज़ आप लोगों के साथ यहाँ पे शेयर करने की कोशिश करी है दोस्तों। इसके बाद यहाँ पे जो मैसेज है पूरा नरेशन है भी वहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली क्या हो रहा है। DS नकारा केस को दोस्तों जो एग्जांपल है उसे उठाया गया है कैसे ब्यूटीफुली जो है फोर्थ ट्राइनल कॉन्फ्रेंस inaugural session of AIB Park fourth channel GBM dated 28th January at Bengaluru. It appears that all the affiliates tributaries of AIB Park, after covering their distance from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, were culminating in the sea of members at Janta Jyoti Auditorium at Bangalore. Anticipating the sea of members, the Karnataka unit of AIB Park had chosen a hall of capacity more than the informed stat and also made elaborate arrangements for at least 1000 members through direct telecast in the couriers. What all expectation and anticipating were filled by the attendance of members that thronged the venue. So it was an eye feast for the beholder, members who felt elated and proud at the same time to a member of the vibrant organization. So the walls of the hall were pasted with the demand which AIB Park stands and is struggling for. The dais was so tastefully decorated that any leader would envy to occupy a chair. So after the beautiful and symphony invocation of the Almighty and the humble and hospitable welcome by Shri A.S. Krishnamurti, the session started with the presidential address humble and hospital welcome by Shri A.N. Krishnamurti. The session जो started हुआ with the presidential address of comrade K.B. Acharya जी, popularly known as, आपको पता ही है जी हमारे जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं दोस्तों AIB पाक के। सो इट इज़ rightfully said that it is the audience which caveats thundering orations out of a leader, and comrade Acharya, who is otherwise also a speaker, choose to heart of the masses, was besides himself in joy and being encouraged, delivered a speech which may be best of his leadership. So this time जो स्पीच थी वो पिन पॉइंटेड थी सो दैट द हॉनरेबल जस्टिस गोपाल गोड्डा, जो कि चीफ गेस्ट हैं, could be brought home about the key issues torturing the retirees. So no issue was left untouched and undetailed. So I have been an ardent fan of comrade Acharya ji for the last more than 10 years now. Now yet still known him for his Buddha like calm composure, but today was an exceptional day as he failed to tame his emotions and outburst for the agony of his words, the retirees. So every word that he spoke was depicting the struggle of the retirees and his keen urge to get them resolved through any and efforts, but without loss of any further time. So his speech was punctuated with the thunderous applaud intermediately. So during the speech of the comrade Acharya, Honorable Justice Goda was seen seeking or confirming some details from कॉमरेड सुप्रीता सरकार, जो कि जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं दोस्तों. सो देन जज साहिब वाज रिक्वेस्टेड टू डिलीवर हिज स्पीच. सो फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग आई एक्सपेक्टेड इट टू बी फॉर्मल स्पीच which would incorporate certain rituals and formal words of praise and best wishes for the conference. What the audience listens was a speech of lifetime. So although I am an advocate and I have attended many speeches of by the retiring and the returned judges, but not a single of them. तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं तो कैसे यहाँ पे जज साहिब ने स्पीच दी, मिस्टर आचार्य जी ने स्पीच दी। सो काफ़ी यू नो वेरी बहुत ही अच्छी यहाँ पे कॉन्फ्रेंस दोस्तों चल रही है। Not a single of them Mauritian ever heard it. So it was informed that before getting himself into the judiciary, he was successful liar. In addition of being in his justice self, he perhaps was in his elements of a pleader as well. So the way he pleaded and judges the arbitration issue was a rare treat to watch, and here quoting the famous Nakara judgment by the constitutional bench he advocated, तो जो उन्होंने advocated करी है दोस्तों। So and adjudged each and every aspect of the argument for our arbitration case and made the audience believe that our is a just and right case per Nakara judgment, and any court be delaying is denying the justice. So while quoting from the case the favorable argument, he became so true to his thought that he declared that had it been a case before him, he would have allowed updation without any if and what in no time. So this drew uh, deafening applause from the audience. So Justice Gota became so amongst the audience that he broke all his formal snackers and spoke like a true comrade, but with the pleading and wisdom of supreme court judge to explain every salient aspects of judgment to swing the balance of judgment in our favor. So his conclusions and culminations made one and all of the audience firmly believe that all the IBA, the government, and even judiciary has been procrastinating just and a right demand of the retirees. So explaining the उसके बाद उन्होंने रेगुलेशन 35(1) एंड 56 ऑफ जो हमारा पेंशन रेगुलेशन है, एंड देन कनेक्टिंग टू आर्टिकल 14 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ही फॉर नोज दैट नॉट ऑनरिंग द रेगुलेशन इज अ वायलेशन ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट एंड दो सिटिंग on the same are liable. He also ruled on 100% DA neutralization and medical reimbursement as issues being dragged illogically and illegally. So in short, his speech was an eye-opener. He argued like a true soldier, advocated, और उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छी वे से यहाँ पे एडवोकेट भी करा, and advocated like a won by Honorable Justice Gopal Goda, and it was him and him all through and all the time. So really lucky to be part of his memorable session, which has erased all previous standard GBMS, even the best tell this time. So pray to Almighty to materialize and make possible each and every world of justice translated and transform the well-being and benefit of retirees. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मिस्टर अशोक कुमार जो कि नगर प्रेसिडेंट हैं AICBRF के एंड प्रेसिडेंट हैं, उनकी तरफ से ये मैसेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो आंखों देखा बयान उन्होंने बड़ा इजली यहाँ पे वर्ड्स में वैसे तो वो जो उन्होंने आंखों देखा है वो प्रॉपरली नहीं हो सकता, बट बड़ी अच्छी उनकी कोशिश है भी उन्होंने इतना प्रॉपरली यहाँ पे मैसेज लिख के हम लोगों के लिए सर्कुलेट करा है। तो दिस इज़ द मैसेज वी हैव रिसीव्ड इन आवर one of the respected pensioners group. So I'm quite happy to share that among all of our friends circle. So दोस्तों this is the update that we have received from the fourth triennial conference. So many messages, so many questions. So this is what going on inside at the fourth triennial conference Bengaluru meeting. So with this Adayu for this session, please like the video and share the update with other friend circle. Bye bye, take care of